Massage is renowned for stimulating circulation, helping lymph drainage, really improving the look of the skin on the body. And it's also excellent for real relaxation if you've had a hard day, if you've been busy at the office, if you're somebody that's on your feet all day long. It's a great way to relax aching calves, aching thighs, aching muscles in the body. The body lift is brilliant for helping to improve upper arms, thighs, buttocks and also calves by working with a massaging tool to really work to break down any kind of congestion, toxins, build up in the body. You may even feel that the skin feels tender when you're actually massaging if you've got a build-up of toxins in a specific area. You should see the skin flushing, you should see redness, and it should feel warmth. These are the sensations we want to achieve with massage because this is the increase in blood flow, which is what's going to help improve the condition of the skin, improve the drainage, and also improve the oxygen supply into the area. Really work with your massager for a few minutes in each area to get that flush of blood and to really help release muscle tension and drain the area of any puffiness and congestion and build up for a smoother looking body.